Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. So, students, let us start our today's class. All students of Standard 2, open English Reader book. Open Chapter 2. Chapter 2. What is Chapter 2? Stone Soup. Stone Soup. There was once a selfish old woman who lived at the edge of a forest. One day, a hungry man came to her door in search of food. Please, may I have some food? The man asked. The old woman had lots of food, but she did not want to give it to him. So she shook her head and shut the door. The man was very hungry, so he decided to try again. He picked up a stone from the ground and knocked at the door once again. You again, shouted the old woman. You again, shouted the woman. I have no food to give you. The man knew that the old woman was lying. From where he was standing, he could see lots of delicious food in her kitchen. There was slabs full of fresh fruit and vegetables like strawberries, apples, grapes, berries, carrot and tomatoes. His mouth began to water. I only want a pot of water, he said. I only want a pot of water, he said. I am planning to make a stone soup. Have you ever tried stone soup before? It is delicious. Stone soup? Asked the old woman. That does not sound like it could be tasty. However, the old woman was very curious. Student, curious. Curious means having a strong desire to know about something. The old man was very curious. She wanted to see what the man would cook. So she agreed to give him a pot of water. The man started a small fire in her garden and dropped a stone in the water. Soon the water began to boil. It already smells good, said the man, smelling the hot water. It already smells good, said the man, smelling the hot water. This stone soup will taste better with bread. Do you have any bread for the soup? Oh, how lucky! I just put a loaf of bread in the oven. Let me check if it is ready, said the old woman, rushing into the kitchen. The man smiled. His plan was working. When the old woman returned, the man suggested, I think that a chopped onion would thicken the soup nicely. Student, chopped. Chopped means cut into small pieces with a sharp tool such as knife. I think that a chopped onion would thicken the soup nicely. I have some onion on the table, said the old woman. She was very excited to see how the soup would turn out. So she chopped an onion and added it to the soup. I know what you are thinking, said the clever man, looking a little sad. All the best soup have more vegetables in them, but we will have to do without vegetables. The old woman was hungry too. She wanted the soup to be really tasty. So she said to the man, I will get the vegetables right away. The old woman got some beans, carrot, and potatoes from her garden. She also got some chicken to be added to the soup. In the end, the man added some salt and pepper to the soup. He tasted the soup and said, the soup is ready and it smells delicious. The soup is ready and it smells delicious. The old man could not control her hunger. She hurried into her house and set the dinner table with her best plates and bowls. She cut 2 slices of cherries, tried for dessert, and placed them in the plate on the table. She then invited the man into her house. The old woman had a spoonful of soup and shouted in joy, this is the best meal for that I have ever had. Stone soup is real treat. Sitting at the dinner table, the man was very pleased as his plan had worked. Students, pleased. Pleased means happy. The man was very pleased at his plan had worked. He enjoyed his bowl of hot soup and then said goodbye to the old woman. So students, I hope you all have understand this chapter, lesson 2. It's all for today's class. Thank you. Stay home, stay fit.